Hi YouTube. Today I bring this quick review of this lockpick. I bought this in Eurobest in $12.50 more or less. This lockpick it's made of stainless steel. It seems to be good quality, and you can see there are 6 common lockpicks and this bar included. You can put all these and secure them right in here. You can also put this inside. I require my 2 hands, but it's just that you can see it comes with this little box, plastic box. It's really handy. If you want it, I put the link in the description of the video. Thank you.